Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson for the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 33. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Eggman the Auteur. Sonic and Tails are hungry for lunch.
Here we are, 2 double nut burgers with extra pickles.
Boy, I love Met Burger. There's something about their mediocre food that really makes my stomach rumble.
Is it safe to assume that that conveniently timed event wasn't you?
Well, it wasn't only me.
I don't think that was you, Sonic. Could be somebody back there. It's the robots from Season 1, Episode 2.
Wanna throw me at its face?
More than anything.
You could do that like from Season 1, Episode 1. Headshot.
I'm used to you ruining my plans, schemes, weapons, fortresses, confidence, and robots, but now you've gone too far. What's that, Egghead? That robot wasn't supposed to be destroyed in this scene. Now I'm gonna have to rewrite the entire second act. Robot, script!
Are you making a movie?
Not a movie, the movie.
Oh, the movie. Sonic, I think Dr. Eggman is making a movie. I mean, the movie. Dr. Eggman said.
It's the role you were born to play.
Come on, Egghead. We all know this movie thing is just a ruse to distract us from some evil plan.
No, it's a film. Something.
A film?
It's not a drama. It's not a documentary. It's somewhere in between. Sort of like brunch.
Yeah, and they both have rotten eggs on the menu. Sorry, not interested.
Why I'm sure there's some movies, or everyone making some movies that they're interested.
Do you have any idea what's going on outside?
Judging by your outrage, I'd guess someone's having fun.
Eggman is making a movie.
You know,
Amy,
one of these
how
get
did
it.
you know that?
We found someone else to play you.
Mandy isn't. I knocked down enough robots that chili dogs will fly
Oh man, this is giving me a weird of this guy wearing a costume being
But
weird.
remember, you're Sonic the Hedgehog, so make it louder and stupider. Let's go again in 3, 2, 1. What's this? Sonic the Hedgehog causing trouble yet again? I'll make quick work of that menace. Cut! Hey, only I say cut.
This film is a joke. You can't.
A joke?
Me?
You turned down the part because I knew you'd get it wrong. Tell you what, if you agree to play you, I'll let you have creative input on your character.
My client will do it. You're gonna need someone to look out for your best interests on this movie. I'll be your manager.
Okay.
Amy's gonna be a manager. That sounds to be pretending.
I never stopped doing the catering. Oh no, my enchiladas!
Your lunch is burning.
Lunch is gonna be late. In this scene, the giant robot chases you. You run
A
about
giant
the-
robot in a desert landscape from Season 1, Episode 1. I'm just talking about the landscape.
That sounds dangerous.
Yeah, so?
My client
Yeah,
will
so?
definitely not be doing any stunts.
But he has to destroy the robot. I want this to have universal appeal. And one thing everyone can relate to is having their robots destroyed by a meddlesome hedgehog.
Then hire a stuntman.
And if you need me to do my own stunts, I also have a Knuckles costume.
Knuckles is wearing a Sonic costume.
Stuntman in. And action. Cut. Great scene, son.
That hurts.
Like the new ending. Let's set up for the next shot, people. Cut.
Like from last time. That hurts too.
Stuntman! Action! Ow! Hot! Ow!
Can you blow it the tea to cold it? I mean cooling down?
This footage is absolutely spectacular! Isn't it, yes, Box?
Oh yeah, brilliant. Done it again.
So awesome.
Yo, Egghead. I've been reading the rest of the script. It's confusing. You present yourself as an underdog and an all-powerful tyrant, which kind of makes no sense.
I'm a very complex character.
Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. I drink motor oil when no one's watching. But who's gonna
Absolutely,
believe that a
maybe.
scientist with unlimited resources can't defeat a hedgehog? Absolutely, you're totally correct.
Anyone else have something to say about my script?
Nope, no questions.
Eggman is the worst director I've ever worked with.
Worst director of Dr. Eggman, except me. I'm a good
I was being dramatic.
director, Carson, not worse.
Well, if he just covers the origin of his mustache in a flashback instead of putting it at the beginning,
I didn't even think of that.
this part where you battle Drillbot could be pretty cool, but it belongs at the end. And he spends too much time on this musical number. Hand me a pen.
What's Tails doing? I don't know. Probably changing something from the book.
Hey, Egghead. Tails and I saved your film.
What are you talking about? This is dreadful. Sonic would never say that.
We do the script my way or I walk.
This film must be my vision, not yours. Mine, 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 mine.
Yours?
Everything, Mr. and Mrs. Know Everything. Then where's your camera? Your robots? Neither one of you even has a beret.
Sonic and Amy are out.
Hedgehog.
Dr. Eggman, I know you always hate Hedgehog for years.
Sonic,
I'm busy.
please, you gotta stop Dr. Eggman.
And for making a movie?
The movie's all a ruse. He's just pretending to film so he can use Drillbot to drill for Unaquarium under the set.
Why are you telling me this?
Then he's going to use the Unaquarium to build an all-new robot army and throw out all the old ones, including us. He's going to
What Drillbot?
and use us for scrap. My lifelong dream was to not be melted down and used for scrap.
Difference of robots from season 1, episode 2. Staying in target. Staying in target. Headshot it.
So much for your scheme, Egghead.
Cut! Terrific! That's a wrap!
Terrific. I saw through your ruse and foiled your evil plan.
It wasn't a ruse, Sonic. It was a double ruse.
Yeah, that's approximately 2 ruses, give or take.
Quiet, you. Thanks for appearing in the last scene of my film.
The old double ruse.
Well, that scene looks so good for Sonic.
This film has success written all over it. I think the question on everybody's mind is, what will your next project be?
The plan was always that this would be the first installment of a quadrilogy. That's even better than a trilogy because it's 4 instead of 3. What's that, like?
But that was a good scene that Dr. Eggman ever make.
Sonic the Hedgehog with his manager.
Ignore them. This is my night.
Good taking pictures with their phones or their cameras. Every movie theater.
Now that I finally have a mustache, I order you to stop! I can finally fulfill my lifelong evil dream! Building my own theme park! Why aren't they hypnotized? They're supposed to be hypnotized!
In your haste, you forgot to install the movie Mindslaver device into the camera.
So much for my triple ruse. Okay, everybody out!
Except me, I'm not in the movie theater.
This really is quite good. Ooh, here's the scene where I watch my movie.
I guess Eggman liked that one. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 33, Eggman the Auteur, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I make some more videos. Before I have to go, there was a weather emergency alert. It was haze. Look at this out there. See? Look, haze and different sun because of haze. The haze was from the wildfire. When there's a wildfire, causing the weather is haze. The haze means could be a smoke. A little bit to smell it. Sometimes. So anyways, goodbye.